Caesar. Awe Caesar. Kakap. Hindi na ukulugin si Mama Nzi. Kakap, ulit din mo tuwa fatin dati mo tuwa kamay.
Caesar ako pala ginti ko chalaga. Kachal tuti akara. Skip ana ginti ko chalaga ko na rin ta siya na kasi akara. Marami ka kapiro na. Yana gina ba iso ako tulog ka mo. Ila ko tira. Fitu nche bueno. Ay mali nyo kana ke man. So uvaila asa no manyane kana uthinthwe magama and stuff. Fitu.
Maka ka pa wong first story ka ufe.
Mina ngicala kae Caesar.
Entle ke mampokisiwo wona ntle kakapa. O tswa kae? Ho etsalang ka mampokisiwo?
Fitha le dintwana la. Ka sia kana le ba gago la. Sister ga ke wa tsebo go ka itse 2 years ago. Eno a tseba e sale ke o tshela ke re. Na le ntwana le se ke file le itlichina hore moya wa ka e ka re hlene na mo ntse ke connect gore o thuna ka go haufi. Fitho sheba dama. O tseba time matla, o tseba time, o tseba ga
So ilo kakapa skipane.
This is my
Wetsalang ito.
This is my blood in Jack.
Good man yawe. Banna kakapa wana tlo re tsisang tsona ba ga ya.
Don't doubt it. You don't nice. I go kabata la.
Hena do tsentana se ke kabathile blind. Caesar kitse. No, kalakupa sakit. No. Hena le motho ona tswala ene. Ala ka go tsena ona tswala ene. That's okay. Wake. Kaka, o go salana le tsona ntutse. Yo Godman, bona go zo go tswela ona ntse tlo mtenya ka ka mano. Ka ipuelela. Ai ntate ma ntho tsone ke tsang tsona Godman.
Okay. Please calm down.
Okay.
Vale diamond ya e phego tsa hae. Ka jenga ona ho etsa lawang. Ka tla bua ona.
The restaurant. Yeah. That day. You saw me there. And I sensed that something was wrong. Yeah.
Titi. Mathata jwale ke afe? Ke tswa mosebetsing wa hao. And ha ke a o fumana to my surprise ha motho wa lefa mosebetsi. Bothata ke
It's nothing.
because I can see you're not good at all.
It's nothing.
What do you mean? Please. Tell me the truth. What happened?
I was kidnapped.
What?
Oh, wait, please.
No!
There's this guy. Sunday, Negile. Mad and I had a drink. And somehow you won't know cheap like it's like weird. Then yesterday after work, some guys came. I'm what like I'm doing me. I'm quite like a sponchimo and whatever poison I breathed. As I get pass out. Apparently that guy Yokopanilena Barimono claims to be my lost brother.
It's okay.
No.
Please.
No.
For the pillow how.
Let me help.
Let's